Hey, we're back. Okay, no long introductions. Sanjay, Beanie, Sanjay. Introductions over. Take it away, Sanjizzle.
It's a royal edition of Intense this week because we have none other than the king of the dancehall himself, Beenie Man. Wagwan, doctor.
Everything good with that.
True, man. All right, doctor. 5 things that makes Beenie Man intense.
First of all, I was born to do music. Second of all, I was built to do music. Third of all, I am doing music. Fourth of all, I've forever been doing music. And fifth of all, until death do us part, I forever, still, and forever doing music.
How you get the name Doctor in the first place?
Well, I was given doctorate of lyrics and lyrics and composition by the West Indies of the University. And, you know, it was at Spectrum, and they came on stage and offered me with a certificate and all that good things and things.
So that frame up on your wall still?
Yeah, after. What about?
Is controversy something that you intentionally seek out as an artist?
No, it's not something that you seek, all right? The great book tell you that all great men get famous through friends, but get famous through enemies.
Speaking of like nemesis and all those things, you and Bounty Killer, you've been musical ads for almost 2 decades now, 20 years.
Almost 20 years.
Almost 20 years. What's the current status of that situation right now?
No man, I'm virgin none. I'm virgin long time. It's not a current status.
Have you ever called Bounty Killer on the phone and just talk to him, just reason with him?
Well, I don't have no phone, so it's not gonna make any sense. Yeah. So where may I call him from?
Alright, differently. Have you and Killer ever hold a solid reasoning outside of music?
Of course, yeah man. No, not a solid reason. Any reason me and Killer well is me I tell him something now, him I tell me something.
Yeah.
You understand? And it have to come across, you know. It's not aggressive ways, but Killer is a man who like hear himself.
Yeah.
So you have to talk over him to make him understand what I say. So the reason is not good, smooth reasons are intense.
It's an intense reason.
Yeah.
Well, long as enough that
but
understanding.
the message come across, you know?
Yeah. People feel like some of the conflicts that have arisen between Bounty Killer sometimes is some like a psych sting where you use and try him out.
All right. You see me as a man, let me tell you how much I respect Bounty Killer.
Yeah.
I put my career on the line a lot of time for build back east.
Yeah.
Because, all right, me up on tour, I told the world and I have Grammy Award winning album and all of these things. And I don't need to come back here for war with Bounty Killer, like seriously.
Yeah.
You understand? You go up on tour, you make how much money and you can't do this and you can't do this, your family all right and everything. You don't need to come back here for war Killer. But when you come back here, meet up on top and then you have a bag of young artists who come up. It's going to end up in the last and me alone have to end up. I face all these kids and kids them over to you because you're just one old man.
All right, stick up it right there for now too. Speaking of all these kids and the younger generation of artists that are at the forefront right now, do you ever feel like threatened to lose your King of the Dancehall title by any of them?
No, well, you cannot be chilling. You know, none of them are my sons. And you understand?
Yeah.
It's only the prince can dethrone the king, like really, honestly. So none of them are my sons.
Are you still Gaza?
Well, I wasn't Gaza.
Wasn't Gaza.
I am a Gaza fan.
Yeah, okay.
Don't get it twisted. I say a Gaza, I say because a Gaza me say. Not a Gaza me inner.
Yeah.
Gaza me say. Cartel me DJ. Yeah.
What do you think about men that bleach?
Well, I don't think of man none at all, whether bleaching or not.
Carter said he's very accepting of it in the interview that we've seen with him recently. You know him say anything that's a part of dancehall culture is cool with him. So
yeah, that's part of his culture. Film thing, my thing, my thing. Me's a Rasta, me not do bleach, me not do tattoo, me not do them something.
Your Facebook fans have asked you this question.
Yeah.
You and the Angel back together?
Well, my wife and my wife. You know, we always back together, we fight and we come back together. She's my wife. Unless we divorce, then...
Your wife?
Yeah.
Are you expecting another boy or a girl?
Well, I never expected. Woman expected.
The Angel expected another boy or
no,
girl?
I don't know that. You have to ask her that. I don't think so either. She's not pregnant. Let me clear it up. She's not.
She's not pregnant?
No, she's not.
All right. What are your current goals?
There is no more goal more than repeat.
And maintaining?
Yeah.
Tell me one human being that inspires Moses Davis.
Jimmy Cliff.
Why?
Well, Jimmy Cliff is my hero. Yes, I love Bob Marley to death. Jamaica, don't get me wrong, but Jimmy Cliff is my hero because I have seen Bob Marley one time, but I knew Jimmy Cliff. Know him, grew up with him, all of these things, you know?
Tell us the most valuable advice that Jimmy Cliff gave you.
Your music is not your music. It's the people's music. So never you try to be the people, be as still as the water and the people will follow you.
Advice well taken, huh?
Yes, boss. Yeah.
True. What advice do you have for some of the up-and-coming artists in the industry today?
The youth them have to believe in themselves and know so them can do this thing. Yeah. If you know so you can do this thing, I don't think about the day job, don't quit it either because you have to pay a taxi for your gas studio. Don't follow no man and go like you eat that. See it?
We've known Beenie Man to give lots of great performances, but this is definitely one that we're looking forward to. Beenie Man
this is a
alongside
challenge.
Bounty Killer.
Yeah, this is it. Like Michael Jackson, big movie. This is it.
Yeah.
Because, all right, you cannot make no mistake at this show because all the fans are turning out to hear everything. So it's not like when me and Killer up on stage and we just chat lyrics to lyrics and randomly lyrics just come up. This is going to be a well put together performance.
We know that you have your band and Bounty have his band. So how that going to work out with you? Do you have a neutral band? Or?
The show is going to be 2 band, 2 artists. Bounty Killer, twin performance, me do my performance.
2 band, 2 artists, 1 great performance.
1 great performance. I've been waiting for this for 18 years. Look. 18 years. There's always be some 3-month friendship, some 2-month friendship, or some 1-night friendship, or some boom fist friendship. But this time, I don't have a check Killer. I tell you the honest truth, because I want to keep the friendship. I don't want somebody tell him something and him go get cross one day and see me. And I love check him. I tell you.
Let's anticipate.
Yeah, let's anticipate because you see right now, the friendship, it free me up, you know?
Yeah.
But kind of free, 100% free. Because then certain things when we want to do in our life, we couldn't do it without that push there.
Yeah.
And it helped me, you know?
Sure.
Yeah.
Man.
So if Jamaica want to know me and my wife, he's back together and we are good. And me and Killer is friend and yeah, good. It's very intense.
Normally we'd ask, the last question would normally be what most makes you intense, but right now we have to switch it up a little bit.
Yeah.
What most makes Beenie Man great?
Okay. What made me great is because I was born. Life made me great.
Life.
Blessed.
Sure, man.
Yes,
See, there, it was a pleasure.
Honor. Pleasure is all, man.
Sure, man. Big up. Pepita, the king, the reigning right now, forever. The king, dancer, Beenie Man, back to you.
Long live the king!
Glad to hear Beenie and Dave.